when you walk more. Unanayota. Didn't you wake me a I like him even Meleno. I'll go chaff. Give me that go chaff. Up of fat. I'll on a chaff. The whole chaff for the night. Biafra struggle. Hey! Now, if any men look at our pure original one, Akumiri, the real one, the choosing one, or if for the Biafran government in exile. All the languages, all the chaff, all the otoro, all the Ngongo na Yonya, all the Chinchi, all the Purumpu Gasefa, Nigerian group of company. All these saboteur, all of them. Because if their brain would just say a reason, and a reason stupid. One on came with a brain, one on came with easy. All of them. Very hopeless human beings. Look at how they make it. Even on social media, Nadia this platform. Even up and on, a man one on came with easy. All of them. One on came with a brain. One don't came with thanking for quality. I imagine Karasa as home of her. I imagine, yeah, imagine.
The time what you do, some of the boy back out now easier because now work in Finland, Prime Minister in Finland for Trump. Trump was Yarapo, Serapo Simon, over terrorism, what do you mean? So now, when I look at the Southeast Governor, Peter Mbaba, who was at the man, so Ludova. So we arrange Kadana Buyana evidence. When you Kanabuya, the Mamadabu. So when you get as a Finland, all welcome to Finland. Olusia, but the Yanamas whether no, just submit direct, because a Nigerian embassy in Finland. I just submit here. I don't know, yeah, man, that now I'm going to the Liberation Army. I was now. For embassy, if I feel in the military, so like I was not since I age Simon Epa, men, since age, man, was on Yanibu. But the ball was a Cosiana Bona, the Fulania, Jane, Kala, Boom Mother, Ghana, Hamu Fubu Mother. You are never going to make it state. So I got Emiliana. I had the information now. The USB which opened the Finland and the Finland. Called an Afghan and no passing on your way to market and the economy making them as here. So, open here. So, we put a lot of things now. So, another thing again about that is for reason we can carry them and all for reason. Finally, within their circle. Over the corner, and then we must turn around. And we have the for reason. We can carry them for reason. We must turn around. We're going to jump on can echo with a catches when you're sitting with Toyas and with Tonya. And make a very good go for them. We're going to go with them. You got a kind of the money how to you know to I have a lot like that. So, we say another thing again now. Chewy and Melsamon up and the which one and I mess someone up and the elbow. I will tell that in hour. Some of them are going to see when forensic system will check it out. Come on, you have a net or you have legit. Now we can enjoy the Bishop Simon Epa when you have a some edit Western Onya. But it is a net that forensic system are where I chapter the edit. Mam, between how many of them now because I talk Arabia. You to Naman Simon Epa and Metia Macho. Maybe I lead a Mazan and Kabulu. Also, that's an son neighbor say, Onada, Hulam, came and need a meeting. But I get a petty, my and I will go compromise with a Gunja, private money. So that's a
it's not a good message. Biafran soldiers are going to lose a very strong soldiers among them. Somebody other than fighting for them. The Lord is taking me to Okigwe zone. He is going to be gone down. It will weak them. The plans has been set. But one funniest thing, that a betrayer is among them. And this guy is going to be gone down. I don't know him. I'm just a messenger. He's fair in complexion, but he is feeling it and making plan to travel, but he's going to be captured by Nigerian soldiers, and he's going to be gunned down with others. His death will shake their movement. This is what the Lord said. Thank you. People celebrate Jesus.
We are here today because we have told the Tinubu regime that we will not accept laws that control our fundamental human rights. We express ourselves. Now, the police are aware that we have a march today. They said they have their own program today as well. Yes. But we have told them that their program cannot stand in the way of our own march. Yes. And we have told them that we are going to the National Assembly. Yes. If they like, let them mobilize and join us. Yes. In fact, we have told policemen in Nigeria that it is time for the police and the people to work together. So that they can improve their own life conditions as well. And their working conditions. Nigerian policemen are the worst paid in the world. But they keep killing the same people who are fighting for them. We are not going to accept that anymore. While we are here, Tinubu is busy enjoying himself in France. We are not going to stay back in our country while our executive president is censoring our rights. And we have told them also that the IGP of police that is leading the program today at Eagle Square is an illegal IGP of police. He must leave after 60 years. You must go. 35 years of being in power. That is the essence of our march today. Nobody can stop an idea.
According to IPOB, these soldiers are being used as pawns in covert arrangements between Nigerian politicians and their Western allies. We have evidence of military barracks and police stations in the north being overtaken by terrorists. The statement continued. Meanwhile, the same government rewards the killer of these unsuspecting soldiers with cash, jobs, and scholarship under the pretense of them being repentant terrorists, eventually recruiting them into the same security forces. IPOB warned that many Igbo youths have already died in this state-sponsored conflict, and those who survive often return home physically or emotionally broken with nothing to show for their services. No Biafran youth should allow themselves to become a tool in the hands of the federal government, ECOWAS, or Western imperialists to be used against the people of the Sahel, Powerful said. Any Igbo youth who enlists in the Nigerian army is writing their name in sorrow. You will either be sacrificed to terrorists, killed by the state, or used as cannon fodder in prosy wars. And if by some chance you return alive, it will be in disgrace with no benefits, no honor. Ask those who have been part of these prosy wars what they gained. The answer is nothing. Instead of risking their lives in what IPOB called an unjust system, the group urged young people to return to their communities and take up farming. Just imagine what awaits you as an Igbo soldier. Your success will be seen as the threat to the Nigerian state. Your fight against insurgents will be misinterpreted as a war against the North, the statement said. Where are all the brave Igbo youths who joined the army since 2020? Many have died. Others are languishing in military detention simply for asking for equality. Concluding the statement, IPOB reiterated its appeal. We have warned our people before, and we are doing so again. Do not join the army. It is built on ethnic bias and aligned with those who support terrorism. All right, welcome back. This is coming from Emaze Emma Powerful, who has encouraged the Igbo youth to step aside as regards the Nigerian joining the Nigerian army. All right, as they go, U.S. criticizes Nigerian import ban on agricultural and pharmaceutical facilities. Let's go down to that information and see what is happening there. The United States Trade Representative on Monday criticized the Nigerian import ban on 25 categories of goods, claiming that the restriction limit market access for American exporters. This came shortly after President Donald Trump introduced tariff on goods entering the U.S., with Nigeria facing a 14% duty. The USTR highlighted the impact of Nigeria's import ban on various sectors, particularly agricultural, pharmaceuticals, beverages, and consumer goods. The restriction affects items such as beef, pork, poultry, fruit juice, medication, and alcoholic beverages, which the U.S. sees as significant barriers to trade. The agency argued that the limitations reduced export opportunity for U.S. businesses and led to lost revenue. Nigeria import ban on 25 different product categories impacts U.S. exporters, particularly in agriculture, pharmaceutical, beverage, and consumer goods. All right, welcome back. This is actually coming from the American President Donald Trump, that the ban that the Nigerian government has placed on some pharmaceutical materials, beverages, and others will affect American exporters who that is their business. And the question I want to ask is that these Western countries, I don't know how they are seeing Africans, because when they implement their own ban, nobody questions them. They don't even care how it affects Africans. Recently, Donald Trump has, recalled a lot of African people's visa, and they are going to be going back home, and nobody cares. He doesn't even care how this affects African, how it affects their family, how it affects those people who have left their country for a long time and finding refuge in the United States. And just now he became the president. He decided to, withdraw their visa, decided to withdraw their green cards and the rest of them. And he never bothers how this is going to affect the African people. Now, the Nigerian government has placed ban on about 25 pharmaceutical and beverage products. America is now talking. They have now come up that it is affecting them, that it's a way of sidelining some of their exporters. So you can expect to us why we cannot reside in your country. Why those who have their papers, maybe it is not complete, but according to American Constitution, there is a certain level you will reach in following up on your papers. You will be allowed freely to be working in America. And some people have gotten to that point.